Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the inspiring story of one of Turkey's brightest stars, Elçin Sangu. Her journey from a challenging childhood to international fame is nothing short of amazing. So stick around, grab a drink, and let's explore what makes her story so special. Elçin Sangu was born on the 13th of August, 1985. In the beautiful city of Izmir, Turkey's third largest metropolis. Her childhood was shaped by a significant event. Their father left the family when she was only 2 years old. But out of hardship came something extraordinary. Thanks to her Circassian heritage on her father's side, Elçin inherited her signature fiery red hair and flawless, porcelain-like complexion. This distinct beauty, rare among Turkish women, made her truly unforgettable and gave her a unique presence from an early age. Elçin's upbringing was deeply influenced by the strong women in her life. Her mother, determined to shield her daughter from emotional challenges, chose to remain single. Elçin developed a mistrust of men who entered their lives, and as a result, her home became a haven of female influence. Her mother encouraged her passion for opera, a love that became a cornerstone of her artistic development. Her grandmother introduced her to the magic of theater, while her aunt instilled in her an appreciation for the art of dance. Together, these influences played a vital role in nurturing her creativity and laying the foundation for her future career in the arts. Elçin's early life was not just about overcoming challenges. It was about discovering her unique identity and harnessing the power of her creativity. With the encouragement and inspiration of her family, she grew into the remarkable talent we see today. And that wraps up today's video. Elçin Sangu's story is a powerful reminder of how strength, determination, and a little bit of creativity can lead to greatness. If you enjoyed this journey into her early life, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more incredible stories. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.